Dramatic promises may draw attention, but it's working hard to help your customers succeed that builds respect. Determination is shown by the lines on your face, the promises you keep, and the calluses on your hands. See more at Dicor.com.
Sherman Goldenberg, RV Business here with at the Tampa RV Super Show with Tim Hyland, President, GE Commercial Distribution Finance RV Group.
Yeah, glad to be here. It's a great day.
Tim and I occasionally do these videos. For some reason, it's a tradition we started up, and we find ourselves here at Tampa. In what appears to be, judging by the opening day crowd, a really good sign for the industry.
Yeah, I think so. The crowds are very strong here today, probably some of the strongest we've seen. And, we were walking around yesterday and people were very optimistic about what the show is going to bring. So, great day.
I wanted to really underscore that. The crowds we're seeing are phenomenal. The crowds we're seeing are not what I had expected. I mean, this is phenomenal, right?
I think it is.
For opening day?
It is, and probably consistent with what we've seen, which is retail registrations have been very strong right through the end of last year, and it looks like maybe it's going to continue as we get into this year.
Tell us more, your view from a finance perspective of the market, however you choose to do that.
Yeah, we look at our portfolio, and our portfolios continue to do well. Turns are good, aging's good. Dealers are feeling good about their inventory levels. So, if we continue to see growth from the manufacturer side, from shipments, we see strong retail registrations. I think that bodes very well.
What do you see out on the dealer front beyond that? Attitudes, outlooks.
Yeah. Well, we did a survey right at the end of the year when we were out at Louisville. And across the board, people were very, very optimistic. We had strong, probably 79% of the respondents were expecting good growth in 2016. And again, I think what we're seeing here at the show supports that.
These were dealers surveyed at Louisville?
Yeah, dealers surveyed at Louisville, right.
I think it's only fair, given the timing, early January 2016, to mention that this may be the last time that Hyland and Goldenberg talk with you as a GE voice.
Yeah.
Correct? The sale, of course, to Wells Fargo, about to be finalized, or at least your transition to be finalized, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's moving forward. We expect that's going to happen sometime here in the first quarter. So we're looking forward to that.
Can you tell us at this point, is it premature to ask you anything more about how things will work? Do we expect to see, for instance, the same team of individuals representing Wells Fargo as we've come to know at GE?
Yeah, we're going to continue to move forward as we have in the past.
As a unit.
As a unit, and we're going to continue to support the industry as we have for over 30 years. So very excited about that, and looking forward to being able to continue to partner with our customers and support them as they move forward and we watch the industry grow.
Tim, one more thing, really looking at 2016 in general economy, macro, what do you see?
Well, I think, again, you see what we've seen in the past, which is probably 2 to 2.5% GDP growth. You're seeing, good, strong wage and job growth. The housing market looks pretty strong. So those are things that are boding well for the economy in 2016. I think that's some of the things that are creating optimism. Some of the things that are creating concern are, we've just had an interest rate increase. You've got some global issues, China slowing down, strong dollar affecting exports. So again, I think cautious optimism is what we're seeing because you've got some good with the bad, but overall I think strong for the U.S. economy going forward.
In the election wild card, huh?
It's always a wild card. You never know what's going to happen in an election year, but again, we see good, strong, steady growth in the U.S. economy, and I think that's going to carry us through.
Okay, I appreciate it. I appreciate it once again, Tim, for the opportunity to chat here, and look forward to seeing you down the road.
Great to see you.